Hello there, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we have a must-have accessory for all you tech-savvy travelers out there. The CAOODKDK Electronic Organizer Travel USB Cable Accessories Bag. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews and recommendations. Let's talk about protection. This organizer bag means business when it comes to safeguarding your gadgets. It's made of waterproof, shockproof, heavy-duty, and ultra-durable material. Say goodbye to worries about scratches, dust, impacts, or accidental drops. And don't just take my word for it. The well-padded semi-flexible interior adds an extra layer of protection. Your tech gear is safe and sound in this bag. Now, let's explore the design of this organizer. It's not just a one-size-fits-all deal.
with external dimensions of 7.48 inches by 4.33 inches by 2.16 inches.
It's the perfect size to accommodate your electronic essentials without being bulky. It features two cleverly designed compartments. The first is ideal for electronic gadgets like power banks, external hard drives, memory cards, cables, earphones, and connector adapters. The second compartment? Well, that's where your stationery, pens, pencils, and other school or office supplies come into play. When you're on the move, you want convenience, right? This organizer comes with a portable belt that makes carrying a breeze. Slip it into your backpack, and carry it in your hand. It's hassle-free. Whether you're going on a business trip, an adventure, or just heading to the office, this bag is your trusty companion. But wait, there's more. This organizer is a true multitasker. It's not just for your electronics, it can double as a cosmetic carrying bag too. Versatility at its finest. And for those who love to stay organized. It offers endless configurations to hold items firmly in place. It's the perfect addition to your laptop bag or travel case. And there you have it, folks. The CAOODKDK Electronic Organizer Travel USB Cable Accessories Bag. Your go-to solution for keeping your tech gear organized and protected. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to upgrade your travel game, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. And remember to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the world of amazing gadgets. Until then, keep your tech gear safe and organized with us here at Product Critique.